care if you're a 14-year-old girl. I don't want no stinking cough drops. I'm Canadian. Way too tough for cough drops. This has been fun. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. It's amazing because half the people are really happy. I know there's so many right now because I can hear it when you say, tell the people to sit down. Tell the people to sit down. I can't stop this. I don't have the power to stop this. I'm just one man. I want to thank you guys for having me tonight. It was a pleasure to be had. I'm going to sing this song. It's called Heartache Tonight. Dig it.